India's biggest tax shake-up in 60 years is here, the new Income Tax Bill 2025. Hi, I'm CA Pranav. The Lok Sabha has just passed the revised Income Tax Bill 2025 after incorporating key recommendations from the Select Committee. The earlier February draft was withdrawn to fix drafting errors, removing ambiguities, and to make the law more precise and easy to understand. The aim was to replace the Income Tax Act 1961 with a more transparent, simplified, and taxpayer-friendly system, reduce litigation with a trust-first, scrutinise-later approach, introduce clearer provisions, modern compliance tools, and a new tax year concept. Some notable changes include, under Clause 21 of the Income Tax Bill 2025, the words "in normal course" have been removed to add clear comparison between actual rent and deemed rent for vacant properties. Clause 22 has extended pre-construction interest deduction to let-out properties. Clause 20 of the ITB 2025 has been modified to avoid taxing temporarily unused business properties as house property income. Under Clause 19, now there will be a full tax deduction for commuted pension from approved pension funds like LIC Pension Funds, not just for employees but for non-employees too. Earlier, this benefit was only for salaried individuals. If you were a professional, independent investor, legal heir, or a nominee receiving such pension, you were in a grey area. Now, under Section 93 1G, the law clearly says if your commuted pension is from a Schedule 7 approved fund, the entire amount is deductible, no matter your employment status. This aligns perfectly with the current Section 10, subsection 10A of the 1961 Act, ensuring fairness for all. And this is just the start. The new bill runs into 536 sections across 23 chapters, and every clause impacts you differently. I'll soon bring you a clause-by-clause breakdown of the final Income Tax Bill 2025 in plain language so you can understand it, apply it, and benefit from it. Stay tuned, follow me, and together, let's decode India's new tax era. Jai Hind.